Okay. Now Gandhiji had started at that time non-cooperation movement, but different sections of the societies, they started interpreting the ideas of Gandhiji's in a different way or in their own way. So differing strands of a movement. How people in cities they interpreted, how people in countryside over there also peasants and tribal area, though tribes, they interpreted this movement. Again, tea plantation workers, how they interpreted, and the Chauri Chaura incident, all these things came under non-cooperation movement. So different people, different ideas of one movement, non-cooperation movement, differing strands of the movement. Now the movement in the towns, the non-cooperation movement in the towns, over there middle class people, they participated in this movement, like students, headmasters, teachers and lawyers. They gave up their services as suggested by Gandhiji. They boycotted foreign goods. Liquor shops were picketed. Boycott, what is the meaning of boycott? Boycott means to not to use or say no to use the goods of a certain company as a protest, as a form of protest. And picketed or picket, meaning of picket means to block the entrance of any office, shop, industry, factory, like that. So picket. So boycott, they boycotted foreign goods, and liquor shops were picketed. Council elections were also boycotted, and merchants and traders, they refused to trade in foreign goods. So good support was got by these this section of the society to the non-cooperation movement. But why this movement slowed down in cities or towns afterwards? What had happened? Why it got slowed down? So due to lack of alternate Indian educational institutes, the students and teachers, they began to return back and join services. Okay, after they gave up their duties, civil duties, or their teachers, they gave up their jobs, students, they gave up their education, but afterwards they didn't have any alternate option to study or to teach. Okay, so unfortunately they have to return back to their duties or services. Now in the beginning, people, they boycotted the cheaper quality of foreign cloth at that time. Okay, but the Swadeshi Khadi or the Khadi cloth, which was invented by Mahatma Gandhiji, it was much costlier. So expensive Khadi cloth wouldn't fulfill the demands of poor people. So again they have to turn towards the foreign cloth. Okay, so these were the things happened in the movement, in the non-cooperation movement in the town, and why did it slow down afterwards? So this was a single strand in cities. Now let us move towards the peasants in the countryside and tribal area in the countryside.